VARIXIO is made up of a magnetic electronic stir and a single-use sterile plastic capsule. Place the capsule in the receptacle of the Pro Mag, either in the right or left-hand side position. Press the on button. Useful for polidocanol and sodium tetradecyl sulfate, STS. Load 2 ml of sclerosing liquid, polidocanol or STS, and introduce them into the capsule. Press to confirm the selection, type of gas, sclerosing agent, and concentration. Press again to start the stirring. In 45 seconds at most, on the digital screen, you will see a syringe which signals the moment to withdraw the foam. Before withdrawing the foam, you must open the removable seal on top and operate the syringe. Withdraw at a speed of 1 milliliter per second to a maximum of 9 or 10 milliliters. Close the luer taper. VARIXIO Pro Mag will keep stirring the leftover foam at a low speed in case you need to withdraw again. Stop the stirring by pressing the Start/Stop button and get rid of the capsule. To go back to the previous screen, press the button Home.